Hey friends! I feel like a lot of the time I default to the curly hair down with straight across bangs as a hairstyle for Lolita. Or I throw on a wig of this style. Not like that. Better, I guess. Well, I just use a wig, which is fine, but I wanted to get more creative and experiment with different hairstyles in Lolita using my real hair. You can also use a lot of these on a wig too, if you want to style your wig. And please note, I do plan to make a couple different videos with the help of friends with different hair lengths and hair textures, but today I'll just be showing you things that I can do with my own hair.
Gee, Gorilla Kuma, I wish I could be just like you.
Oh, thanks. I mean, you can. You have the power.
But I want to be even more like you.
You could if you were wearing Lolita.
Where can I get Lolita so I can be even more like you?
You should check out Au Boudoir d'Alice, a Lolita dedicated shop in Montreal.
I thought they weren't open.
They are now open. And you can check out their Facebook for more details and updates.
Hey, thanks, me.
You're welcome, me. I got all my inspiration from these two books. I feel like the goal of Lolita hair is to make your head area look larger. You want the scale of your hair to be complementary to the silhouette of your dress. As I mentioned in my coordinate video, making Lolita looks is all about balance. For all of these looks today, I'm going to use my hair curled as a base. This helps my hair appear larger. You could also crimp your hair by braiding it overnight or tease your hair or just however it naturally is. My first look today is a faux bob. There's many ways to achieve this. Holly showed a more secure option in the video, My Girlfriend Makes My Lolita Coordinate. Today I'm achieving this by putting the very ends of my hair into a hair tie and then basically folding my hair in half and pinning it to the back of my head. Then I'm taking a beret and putting it over the clip to lift it and hold it in place, and securing all the hair around inside it. I like to have a little accent hanging down curly piece. If you have any fallout pieces from layers and don't like that, you can always pin them up with a bobby pin and hide the bobby pin in the beret. An old school and easy to do hair look would be mid to low pigtails, balanced with a rectangular head bow. In this case, a bare one. These pigtails are great when they are banded by the top of your ear. You can tie the headpiece around your pigtails to alleviate the pressure of having it tied around your head or face. This is a simple look, but will make your hair look fuller and wider. There's lots you can do with pigtails. In an older hairstyle video, I showed how to do space buns, and if you haven't seen that one, check it out. There's a couple other fun hairstyle looks in there too. I'm taking my pigtails and making them into a fun beard. This is an adorable Lolita look. I mean, I'm not finished yet. I'm wrapping them backwards and pinning them at the top. Since the ends are curled, it creates a cute little sprout, which you can put a bow in front of or around it. This is a really nice shorter faux bob, which is great to get your hair off of you when it's hot outside, or if you want to have more focus around your blouse or the top of your dress. Okay, here I tried doing this look from the book I have, and I really don't understand it. It's a cool idea, sort of victory rolls updo, but I just couldn't pin it right. I challenge you to try and figure this one out because it looks really cute. Moving on, keeping my hair split into two sides, I put half up into a high pigtail, which may be odd, but I like this asymmetrical look balanced with the side headpiece. It's also nice if you have big earrings to separate the hair and have more focus to your earring. Another option with this asymmetrical look is to take the side that's down and instead braid it into a low braid. Since my hair is curled, it's nice because it naturally makes the braid thicker, and I'm braiding without a lot of pressure, quite loosely. I also put the band at the end a little bit past where I finished my braid, then pull the extra space through my braid to make it appear bigger. Then I'm wrapping my braid around the top of my head and tucking the end behind the ponytail and pinning it in place. You can also add pins inside the braid to help pin it down to the top of your head and hide the pins in the braid. Now I'm going to do some more braided looks, and for this I like to brush out my curls because the curls won't be seen under the braid and it gives my hair a thicker, soft texture to work with. I'm braiding my hair into 2 side pieces again, putting the band a little further down than where I braided and working the space up through my hair to appear larger. You can wear them as is or simply connect the ends to the banded part, and this makes a really cute look with a beret where you can hide the ends of your braids underneath the beret. I hope this video has given you some new ideas on how to style your hair in different ways. If you try out any of these, please let me know on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. And as always, stay lovely!